Hi, welcome to Scott Patric. This is Scott Patric Beauty. I'm with my gorgeous friend Jenny Wong, and we are going to make some beautiful makeup today, and it's all about glamour, glamour, and more glamour. So, thanks for watching. Okay, so for this beautiful eye that we're going to create, which you already have gorgeous eyes, we're just playing with it. He's my favorite. It's this beautiful YSL Heaven, and we're just going to extend that V out on Jenny. So it's summertime, it's hot. I don't want too much of a shadowy eye. I just want to accentuate that V. And a really magic thing about this YSL is you can dampen your brush, just dip it a little bit in water, and then hit it again, and it comes on more painterly. So you can kind of make like a moire where you start off soft and then you go in with the same color and a damp brush and you punch it up a little bit.
Right.
And then I love a nice wide swipe on the bottom, and that's going to open up the eyes. Look up.
And that's the same color as the crease.
Right.
Right. Got it. Beautiful.
Looks modern and strong. Okay, so we're going to do a gorgeous black eyeliner, and I'm really going to extend that eye straight out. It's not going to lift up like a kitty cat, because there's actually strength in going straight rather than making it girlish, which isn't always our intent.
I didn't know that.
So we've got the V with gold shimmer, and I made a light draft of the direction I want to go into, which is straight out. And here we go.
Very cool. Ah.
So after I do the eyeliner, if I want to just like marry it a little bit more to the eye, what I do is I take a Q-tip, put a little bit of moisturizer on it, and I go right in and I hug the bottom of the eye up. So look, see how flawless that is? It's kind of heaven.
Gorgeous.
So that way, it really organically becomes like part of the eye rather than me just drawing an abstract, where I think the line belongs.
Right.
And it looks so lovely.
It's so natural looking.
And it's not that kitty cat, there's nothing childish about it.
Right.
There's an actual strength to it.
Right.
You like the eye?
I love the eye.
You're looking gorgeous.
I love it. Thank you to your beautiful work.
How, after all of this longevity, do you look so freaking gorgeous?
You're
Maybe
so
you want to
sweet.
share with our peeps out there about your journey and what it took to be this strong.
Well, I think having good friends like yourself, I've known you for so long.
Just met yesterday.
I think it's a spiritual health and an emotional awareness and a mental health. But it doesn't take away the fact that this is an industry that's based on image and that we are here to sort of present a perfect image. And what's kept me healthy is knowing that that's not realistic and that's not real.
That
And
the
staying in
perfection
truth.
isn't real.
Perfection isn't real. It's not.
You're not perfect?
When you do my makeup, I am. it's
a
not.
strong base in physical, taking care of yourself, taking care of your mind, prepping yourself every day, prepping yourself to go out there and show your best face. And, you know, in my head, I always think about the child Scott that's out there somewhere. The little gay boy that like has to do hair and makeup. And the important thing is that that little gay boy sees me and knows that this is possible. Okay. We're gonna get back to makeup. And now, the sunshine on your cheek.
Beautiful. Beautiful, but I see beautiful people walking down the streets of New York all the time.
And I see beautiful people in the subway putting on their makeup every day.
Every day.
And it always looks like spiders.
Glamorous spiders. They're glamorous spiders.
So I love the trifecta of the contour, the sun, and then the Rosemary Swift Living Luminizer. RMS Living Luminizer. And that way, I've got my cut, I've got my sunshine, and then I've got my highlight. And I go all the way up where the thinking is.
That's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Light in there draws in the energy. Your makeup's heaven today.
It's gorgeous.
You're gorgeous.
Always.
So
When you do it.
You know I don't like compliments. You're on fire, baby.
The icing on the cake.
So we've got it all going on. We've got a gorgeous eye, we've got cheekbones of life, and we're gonna finish it off with the most gorgeous lip. It's Blitz Trance from Pat McGrath, and it's heaven.
I feel like I'm being deflowered. It's my first Pat McGrath.
I'll be gentle with you. Oh,
Oh, it's gorgeous.
you're gorgeous. Wow. She is something beautiful. Fabulous.
Beautiful.
You love it?
I love it.
I love it too.
Oh, what a color.
Mm. You look like heaven.
It's gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much.
Mwah. Mm. Thanks for watching Scott Patric Beauty. This is me and Jenny Wong, and we had a great time, and thanks for watching.
Bye. Thank you. I feel like I have makeup on either.
It doesn't feel like I have makeup on.